This video is the first in a series about color correction using Final Cut's video scopes. That's histograms, waveforms, and vector scopes. You will also look at color grading skin tones and green screen. Even though this series is about video scopes, what I'd first like to do is to show you how to use and set up a second monitor. Because when you have two monitors, the use of the scopes can be much more appropriate. Let's have a look at how to set up the second monitor, and I will show you on both monitors. To set up the second monitor, you need to go to the window menu, and at the moment we have the event browser and the viewer on the one monitor. If we go to the window menu, we can show events on the second monitor, or we can show the viewers on the second monitor. So let's just look at the viewers on the second monitor for now. On the right hand side, you can see the event browser fills up the whole space where the viewer was, and then on the left hand side you have the separate viewer of what's either in the timeline or what's in the event browser. Your other choice, and let's go back to the window menu again, and this time we will show events on the second monitor. And now you can see on the second monitor you have your events, and this is a good opportunity. Then when you see events like this, you can see the events in much more detail. You can pick up the audio lines much better, and you can see more in the index on the left hand side. The viewer now shows what's in the timeline just as it did previously, and also what's in the browser. But you can see you have quite a lot of extra space now in the viewer, and so we can go back to the window menu and we can show the event viewer. But this means that you can have a separate viewer for the timeline and also a separate viewer for the event browser. Let's have a look at other things that we can do here. We can also show in the viewer display, that's the right hand one at this stage, we can show the video scopes. Now the video scopes can either show vertically as they do here, so that's the viewer at the top and these are the scopes below, or you can have them side by side where the scopes are on the left hand side and the actual viewers on the right hand side. When we don't have the event viewer in the main window, and that's to turn off the event viewer here, you can see that there is now much more room for the scopes and the viewer on the main window, and you have a lot more detail available to you. You can also change the size of these if you want to, by selecting in the middle there and going left to have less view of the scopes or more view of the scopes. If you've enjoyed this series of tutorials, please like, press the bell and subscribe.